The TOTT outdoor equipment camping oven, to be used in conjunction with your current camping or backpacking gas stove, gives you the ability to bake while you're out on the trail or out camping. And you can bake such things as cornbread, muffins, cookies. You can even roast little pieces of steak or pork tenderloin. It's very versatile and it's very lightweight. Let's open it up. So we'll open it up, see what the contents are. You can see it is very lightweight. Even the stuff sacks are made with recycled material, and what they're trying to accomplish, you can see there's no plastic in here, is they are using products that are already tooled, so there's no retooling, and they're trying to limit their carbon footprint on Mother Earth. So you open this up. Here's the information about your camping oven, about the people that created it. It also has a contents of the oven, and it also has a little information on assembling your oven and one recipe to get you started. So let's open up the contents of this package and see what we got. Okay, so what we have is we have some parchment paper, a cross, very important. This cross assembles like this, goes in the bottom of your oven. 3 rubberized clips and a few bamboo testing sticks to make sure that your product is cooked. So what you do is you would take one of your own 2 aluminum trays. Put one of your aluminum trays in. Take your parchment paper. I usually rip it, but for this demonstration, we'll just fold it. And it goes inside your aluminum holder there. And then you pour your muffin mix or your cornbread mix in there. Put the top of the oven on. Take your clips, clip them around. There's 3 clips. And the reason there's 3 is if you lose one, you can still do it with 2 clips. But I like to have 3 clips. And so there you go. You've got your handle. You would turn your stove onto the lowest setting. Place this oven on it. And there you go. 30 to 40 minutes later, you've got yourself what you want to eat. Couple things about this. On the lowest setting, it uses very little gas. I was asked about that. But a bonus to this is that you get also, for your trips, 2 containers to eat out of or to prepare in, whatever you want to do. So there you go. That's a little demonstration of the TOTT outdoor equipment camping oven.